Hello everyone, welcome to another SEMRush tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to find websites for your backlinks on SEMRush. Now before we get started, you can get a 14-day free trial with later on limited features on SEMRush for absolutely free with the R link down below in the description. So check out that link and let's get started with the tutorial. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to obviously go and choose a domain where you want to go and where you want to find backlinks from, right? Now, as you can see right here, as you can see, you can go and here's just some of the examples right here. So we'll just use examples for this. Now, as you can see here, you can check your backlinks accurately. For nearly any website, you can evaluate your performance and be the first to know about competitors' campaigns, and you can be confident in your insights with proven metrics. So, as you can see, let's just go with travelcnn.com. Let's just click on them and let's see how you can actually go and find the backlinks for that particular website. Now, as you can see right here, this is still loading up. Now, what you can do, as you can see right now, it's loaded up. As you can see here, just some of the statistics that you can see with this particular tool. It's a really great tool. Backlinks, you can see the backlinks right here, changes in the number of backlinks to an analyzed domain. You can see new and lost referring domains and stuff like that. As you can see, you have a lot of different things that you can see right here, top countries, on their website. So a lot of really useful things other than backlinks. You can also set up backlink audit to view the toxicity score metric. You can create a campaign in backlink audit. This is right here, as you can see. Obviously, you can use that later on, but as you can see, you can go to backlinks here, and here you will see all the active, new, and lost backlinks. So as you can see, here are all, and you can also go to the active, to the new, and to the lost. For example, if you want to know new backlinks, then you can go here and click new, and then you will see the new backlinks for that particular website. If you want to see lost ones, which I'm sure you don't want to see lost ones, but again, you can go and just click on the lost ones. And here you have a lot of different things that you can go through: competitors, referring IPs, referring domains, anchors, network graph overview, and a lot more. So obviously we also have link building ideas right here. But if you want to see like more in-depth videos, you can definitely check out our channel for more, and definitely click the first link down below if you want to get a 14-day free trial on SEMrush. Thank you guys for watching.